Hi Nas Moms! So I am unboxing my Imani na breast pump. So I'm so excited for this because I have been pumping for a long time from my daughter 10 years ago. So marami na akong nagamit din na breast pump. So this one is the Imani. Ang gusto ko sa kanya is it's very portable. Wala siyang wires or anything. Plus, this is the motor and it's very light lang. Hindi siya mabigat. So you can just put the breast pump inside your bra and you will have your hands free to do chores or to take care of your babies. So you have an option. So when you open the box, it has all of these parts. Ito and the charger. May kasama siyang charger. Plus, it's very thoughtful kasi meron din siyang extra parts. So you will really need to keep that because you will need it. Okay? Yung mga ganito kasing parts, may mga membrane siya. So, may wear and tear lang yan. Lalo na if you are an exclusive pumping mom. Okay? So, looking at the motor, when you turn it on, meron siyang massage. So, you can use that to stimulate. And then, yung plus minus is the pressure, yung suction na pressure niya. So, you can adjust that depending on your comfort and tolerance. And then, you also have the, ito na yung pumping. Okay, may timer siya. It shows yung battery life. And then, pwede mong taasan yung pressure. Okay? So, andyan yung suction. And then, yung kasama sa set is yung nipple size na 25mm and yung flange na 28mm. But, if you need a different size, they also sell iba't ibang sizes ng para sa nipple and different sizes din ng flange. Okay? How will you know if you need to change the size? If, while you're pumping, sumasama yung areola, hindi nipple lang yung pumapasok, it means you have to size down. And then, if napansin niyo yung nipple is tumatama doon sa sides nito, it means you have to size up. Ganun lang siya. Okay? Crucial kasi yun sa output ng milk if you have the right size. So, a big plus is Imani has an exclusive distributor in the Philippines. So, you are sure na you have committed to this brand. Meron ding mga spare parts when you need them. So, may one set nito with the motor. But sa experience ko, because I've been pumping for a long time, it helps na may mga extra kayong ganito para kung nilinis pa yung ibang set, meron kayong extra na hands-free cup set. Another factor na I really appreciate about the Imani is C-type yung charger niya. So, kahit anong charger, kahit makalimutan ko yung exact charger for it, I can charge it anytime. Kahit nasa car ako or I'm on the go. Kasi madalas akong nawawala ng battery with my other pumps. So, this one, yung charging dock niya, pwede ko rin siyang kabitan ng power bank. And then, pwede ko rin i-direct dyan yung saksakan. But with the charging dock, I can use this. Yan, magcha-charge na siya. Sasaksak ko lang siya. And dual charging siya. So, just put the machine into the port. And I can charge them both ng sabay. And I can close it para hindi pa kailaman. Yan. So, that's how you charge the Imani breast pump. The box also has this quick manual where it shows kung how you will sterilize it. And how to assemble it, how to use it. It's not rocket science. Sobrang easy lang niya gamitin. Okay? So, later, I'll show you how to wash it. And I will also show you how to pump using your Imani. So, these are your Imani parts. First, the nipple insert. And then the protector and your connector. This one is the valve. And this is your clear na milk collection shell. And your funnel. Okay, so this is how you assemble them. You get the connector and insert your protector. And then for the valve, as you can see, meron siyang arrow here. On the red part, merong arrow. And then also on the clear part, meron ding arrow. So you just have to align them. Make sure that it is inserted properly. And then take your milk collector and then insert the protector onto your milk collector and then push it like so. Yan. So you just have to make sure na it is positioned well and then you will feel na naka-secure na siya in place. Okay? And then When you are done with that, so you just have to take your funnel and then align them with this one. Yan. So you just align it like so, and then on all sides you have to secure the funnel onto the milk collector para to make sure na walang milk na magsispill. So meron siyang, as you can see, meron siyang parang ridge. So on all sides of the milk collector, you just insert the ridge in, making sure na naka tight seal siya. Yan, like that. And then after, you will see here merong takip. You just have to insert it there onto the hole. So when you're done with that, you just take your nipple insert, kung ano yung ginagamit ninyong size, you just insert it there, secure it. And then now you can get your pump motor, making sure that the red ring is there so that when you push it in, naka-secure siya. Okay, so that's how you assemble your Imani. So once you are done pumping, make sure to remove the motor first before taking out your milk collector. So make it stand this way up, get your bottle, and then remove the cover from your milk collector. Okay, so this is how you pour the milk out onto your bottle. Make sure na to remove all the milk from the parts. You have to do it this way and not the other way around. Yan, para hindi mag-spill yung milk. Okay, so now you close your bottle. When you're done, you can wash this, and as you can see, meron din siyang nakalagay dyan kung ilang ounce and ml siya. So I usually have different brush types para ma-reach yung mga hard to reach places. So pag yung mga ganitong maliliit, I have a small brush for it. So just wash it and I can put it in the EcoMom. So now that we have finished washing our parts, you can now sterilize them. So you just have to remember that the clear parts like the connector and the clear na milk collection shell, hindi siya pwede sa heat. So what I do is, UV cycle ko muna sila lahat, and then I remove the clear parts, and then tsaka ko tinatapos yung drying cycle with the heat in the sterilizer. So I hope this video will help you understand how the Imani works and how you can properly take care of them. It is now available at thenesaph.com.